Hello students, today I am going to teach nutrition for standard 9. Here it is written, nutrition for class 9. For this chapter, this is the video number 1. Video number 1. First of all, we concentrate as usual on definition of nutrition. What is nutrition? There it is. What is nutrition? Answer is the process by which living organisms make or take food. Some organisms make food like green plants, and some other organisms take food, a complex food. They cannot make it by themselves. They depend upon others. So make and take food, digest. Those who take food, they digest. Those who make food, they need not have to digest. Assimilate means absorb, and utilize it, that means the food, is known as nutrition. Please all of you note down this definition of nutrition. Types of nutrition, though details of types of nutrition not required, but at least a preliminary idea is required by all of you. How many types? There are 2 types, though you have studied it in lower classes. Autotrophic nutrition, those living things who make their food. Like 2 types are there: photosynthetic organisms, that is green plants, and chemosynthetic organisms, certain bacteria like sulfur bacteria. They can produce their own food from the energy of chemical reaction. This is chemosynthetic, their energy from chemical reaction. This is autotrophic, means they can make food. Heterotrophic nutrition is the other, where those organisms who take food from other organisms. They cannot make food, but they take food from other organisms, maybe autotrophic, maybe heterotrophic, but from other organisms. It is of 4 types, 1, 2, 3, 4. Holozoic nutrition, that we are falling into this group. Holozoic nutrition means who take solid or liquid complex food. Complex food means this food is needed to be simplified, that means digested. This is the point that I was telling when the definition of nutrition, digestion is required. These organisms make solid complex food or liquid complex food. Example, man. Almost all the animals are falling in this group. Next is saprotrophic. Saprotrophic means organisms, those who take food from dead and decaying matters. Dead bodies of plants and animals, they grow on them and they draw nutrition from the dead bodies or body parts of the other living things. Example, fungi. Parasitic mode of nutrition, these are the modes of nutrition. Parasitic mode of nutrition, those organisms who take ready-made food from the host. They live inside or on the surface of the body of the host, other organism, animals or plants, and absorb ready-made food which is being made by the host itself. So they are parasitic. Example, certain bacteria. Then in case of plants, mistletoe. You must have heard about mistletoe. Mistletoe. You read in a junior class also, mistletoe. And finally, mixotrophic or symbiotic. Mixo means mixed, means double, where 2 organisms stay together and mutual benefit, they share their food and shelter. Take food by mutual exchange. Example, lichen. Lichen means a kind of an dual organism where it is made by one fungus and one alga. Like this, number of other cases also found in nature where 2 organisms stay together and mutually they exchange nutritional matter. So this is the type of nutrition. Next we go on to the details of holozoic nutrition for human beings specifically. This is the main theme of the chapter. So I have to rub this one and write again. Next part of it is concentrating on the specific type of things that is required for nutrition. What is food? That means definition of food. Answer is substances those are which we take to fulfill our substances which we take to fulfill our appetite. Appetite means hunger. Appetite is called food. Example of food, you all know that what we take: rice, wheat, milk, etc. All that you know. Then second is, what is diet? What is diet? Answer is combination of food of food items that a person take per day is his or her diet. That means the kind of combination of food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, whatever you are taking together is the whole thing that is your diet. Next is, what is meal? Answer is the combination of food items similar to that. Combination of food items that one person take at a time is called a meal. Suppose breakfast, you are taking bread, omelette, banana and all these things, that is one meal. Then lunch you have taken rice, pulses and all these things, that is another meal. So this number of meals together to form a diet, that is a meal. The next is another terminology is there, very important. This is not mentioned in your book though. Is basal. What is BMR? Basal metabolic rate. What is basal metabolic rate? Basal metabolic rate is, the answer is BMR is the amount of energy a person requires when he or she is lying down in bed with complete physical and mental rest is called his or her BMR or basal metabolic rate. This basal metabolic rate is variable according to the age group. This varies with number of factors. The factors are, number one, age. Now age means what? If a person is a old person, their basal metabolic energy requirement will be different. If a person is adult, young adult, then it will be different. Age difference, young children, their metabolic rate, BMR will be different. A pregnant woman, their BMR will be different. In a normal adult woman, their BMR will be different. So age is one important factor. Number two, sex. That means male or female. It is observed that the energy requirement in case of male slightly more than in case of female, and if the female is not in a special condition like pregnancy, etc., then generally males require more than female. Sex. Number three, special requirements. Age, sex, nature of what? Nature of work, that means lifestyle. Lifestyle, that means a person is doing what kind of work? Sitting down and writing, typing and all this, that is one kind of work. And another kind of work is going in the field, digging the soil and all this manual work. Those who are doing heavy manual work, their BMR will be different. Those who will be doing sedentary work, sitting down and working, their BMR will be different. Lifestyle. So that is nature of work, lifestyle. And number four, special needs. Example, sick person. Persons are sick by different ways. According to the sickness, the requirement of food is changed. That's why whenever a person is sick, they require suggestion from the physician what kind of food they will take for that particular situation. Sick person, pregnant woman, in case of pregnant female, the requirement of food and the BMR requirement is more. So these are the special situations which is different from the normal condition. Now I will give you some of the BMR of some person. Number one, adult males, adult males with light work, they require 1800 to 2500 kilocalorie energy. Number 2, adult males with heavy work, 3500 to 3900 kilocalorie. Adult female light work, they require 1900 approx. Number 4, adult female heavy work 2200 kilocalorie. Like this. Suppose the person is a pregnant female, then their calorie requirement will be more than normal, 2200 to 2600 kilocalorie per day. So these are the calorie requirements. That means BMR. These are the BMRs of some of the persons. Oh, it's BMR. I'm writing wrong. BMR. These are all BMR. So keep up to this. Next video we will continue our discussion on this.